15 seconds. Time. Are you going to speak at all? No. No questions?
So basically this is an attempt.
So that was over. That's that. You can shut that also. Sure. Are we allowing questions? Yes, we are. It wasn't a business. It was just like a fun thing to do.
Thanks, Ankana. Since I could not, I decided not to speak because our time was cut short from 3 minutes to 90 seconds. I realized. Cool, thanks. So basically, we are trying to interactivize comics, and we are trying to build a platform which the publishers can use to convert their static content into something like this. So we don't intend to be a content player. We will build a platform, a GUI-based platform, and also along with that, there'll be a viewer and a channel, and we're trying to monetize it to sort of the school kids who we have observed that the sort of reading habit is dying down, and that's a cause of concern with parents. So this is sort of ideally suited to satisfy or to inculcate the reading habit amongst kids. And of course, the ease of viewing and convenience of viewing it on the devices is there. So broadly, this is what it's about.
Animated comics with the ability to share. More or less. You could have said this in 2 seconds. Chalo. So, clappy and best. Gentleman is saying you're not looking at the front row because the ladies are sitting for the back. Only 2 ladies left in the audience. Both of them are volunteers. So, I'm sorry, I forgot you. Sorry. No, not fair. Thai guys are automatically ruled out. I think these are CDs of up-and-coming movies. I heard Barfi, right? Barfi is one of these soundtracks. GoMoreLow.com. Yes. Actually, for that we should have given a silent movie soundtrack. You're right. You're right. Who said that? Beta, bola to ek aadmi tha. Are you his friend? Then I can't trust you. Huh? Did you say we should have played a silent movie soundtrack? Which of these 2 guys looks more trustworthy? This one? Okay. Chalo, next team on stage. Let's be quick about it. Huh? And if you're planning to do some things like Steve Jobs, please let us know in advance. We'll be mentally prepared. Are you ready?
Not yet.
Not yet.
For the ones still left over, good morning.
Mic on कर लो, सबको सुनाई देगा. On कर लो. Entrepreneurs have to do the heavy lifting. It's your startup.
All right, got it.
Check.
All right. So I was saying, for the ones still left over, good morning to you.
Time starts now.
All right. I'm not going to go through the entire presentation. All right, I have a set of questions, just 3. How many people here like good food? Great. How many of you have either gifted chocolates, sweets, fruit boxes to someone ever? Great. How many of you guys like Indian mangoes? Alfonso? Great. This is who we are. So, in a nutshell, we are specializing in premium food products that are either made or sourced from premium manufacturers. And we arrange for the door delivery of the same on a worldwide basis. And we do it on a most customized and an organized fashion. In terms of the revenue, we are about
15 seconds.
We're about a 2-year-old company, 2.5. We've clocked in a revenue of about 70 lakhs so far. And we should probably do about 1 CR. Why do we do this? We basically are doing this to make it easier for the individuals, which are the food lovers.
Time. Questions?
No, we tied up with the logistics partners. You'd be surprised, but internationally it takes less days as opposed to delivering the same domestically. International, the transit time is about 2 to 3 days, whereas in India it can take anywhere between 4 to 5 days.
Chalo, in the interest of the audience's families, we'll keep it to 2 questions per startup. If you want to invest in them, you can meet them backstage. Thank you. Hello, why isn't anybody using their squeezy balls? Not against me. Audience poll on? That will be the most popular, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Clappy. I love this audience. How many people want to say thanks to gomolo.com? Nobody. You want to say thanks? Say thanks. Say thanks. Say thanks. Say thank you. Just one person in the audience. This I think is the Burfi CD. This is the Burfi CD. Did you get this guy to sign it? What is that guy's name? आप ही बोल रहे आप ही दे रहे तो ठीक है भाई. See, these ladies have an unfair advantage. Sorry, directions from top management. चलो, डन. गलत है भाई, क्या करें? Okay, next. Can you borrow this mic? Of course.
Thank you. Okay. Yeah, I'll just put the presentation on. It's ID5. FI. That's F6. Okay. Cool. So I'll just make this as simple and to the point as possible. I represent ID5. My name is Hatem. I'm a founder and a director for the company. ID5 is an online trust establishment platform, sorry to use the word. And we also help with identity management. And what do I mean by that exactly? All of us here are all experienced, we're all accomplished people. We all have references, people who know us, who trust us. But that's in our world over here when we go on a day-to-day basis. Whenever we step out of our world, let's say I had to shift from Bombay to Bangalore and I had to meet somebody for the first time, they don't know who I am. And I have to kind of prove myself from scratch in that new environment. For example, I'm looking for a new house on rent. I will have to go to a landlord, he has to find out who I am, and he does not really trust whether he can give me that house on rent or not. So we feel that ID5 is something that you can use in this context to establish your credibility and your trustworthiness. And how does ID5 work is, you go online, you create a profile with your details, such as your employment, your education, things like that. We can get them verified. You can pull in information from different sources that you are active on online, your transactions, your interactions. You create a very rich profile, and then you can share that in different places using an ID5 number. Yeah, so that's about it. We think we can use this when you're looking for a new job, when you're looking for contract work, when you're looking in India especially to find a prospective spouse online on a dating site or a marriage site. There are a lot of uses, and we'd just like it if you come online and have a look and give us some feedback. Thank you.
So that was genuine clapping. This is Gomolo clapping. कलयुग में यार अच्छाई का जमाना नहीं रहा. So I'm going to give it to the very nonchalantly clapping. I knew I won this. Clapping away to glory. I want to give one gift away to this wing quickly now. नहीं चाहिए तो छोड़ो, मेरे घर जाएगा, मेरा बच्चा खेलेगा सीडी के साथ. पाजी, not enough Punjab. Not enough Punjab in your clapping. We have the token foreign chap here. What's your name, sir? Where are you from?
I'm from UK, London.
Why did you think so much before you told me that? Anyway,
Spend more time in India these days.
what are you doing here?
I'm mentioning.
Get an ID for ID. So, welcome to India. I forgot to ask that question, but I'm sure it will have some tertiary value with you. Chalo, Jugnu, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. At Jugnu, what we intend to do is capture memories of the children growing up. You know, children's memories are the most essential things. All of us have memories of our childhood. But, you know, as of now, we have it just in the form of photographs and videos. We want to instigate parents to do it in other ways as much as possible. You know, like writing a diary for the kid, capturing prayers for the kid, having the first, everything first of the kid is special. You know, like the first time the kid walked, the first time the kid spoke something is a special thing. And if the kid can relive these memories, it'll be really different. So these are 7 different features that we offer. And our USPs, we are offering privacy. Privacy is a growing concern. You know, what I heard throughout the day, everybody was harping on privacy. So we are a secured portal and we charge for for our membership, because nothing goes free in this world. You know, he's not giving CDs for free. So similarly, we are not giving membership for free. Right? It's not about social networking. It's more about emotional bonding. We want to, children to inculcate the culture that a family wants to pass on. Maybe, when the kid is 18 or 19 years old, he can have his whole life as an index in front of him, he or she. And this idea can go global very much. Why? Because parents remain the same everywhere and the market is only growing. Someone just said, there are about 10 million marriages happening in India alone. So our market is only growing.
Thank you. And Indians love to procreate, so I'm sure your market is growing faster than you think right now.
So any questions? Yeah, we've launched since a year and we have about 5,400 customers on board. Paying customers. And we also have an offline franchisee model, so we have about 9 franchisees and 2 national level tie-ups with companies like LifeCell who are into stem cell banking.
Any other questions? Somebody accused me of giving tickets for, only CDs. No. From gomolo.com, we have tickets, guys, movie tickets. Tickets of your choice in your cinema. कुछ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything. Hey, let me not stress this crowd out. Hey, कौन whistle मारा? This guy here in the blue shirt. I have to give it to you. Huh? And this wing now. One more there. You have to work for it. Yeah. Jose, let me hear it. I know you're dying. I know you're sleeping. I know you're almost wishing dinner could be part of this package. But all I can give you is one movie ticket. Chalo. Let's go. Are you guys ready? Ready?
Yep.
Let's start.
Hi, my name is Nikhil Soman. I'm the ex-founder of Zapac.com and Bigada.com, if you remember those. I've been playing games and building games for a very, very long time. And we've been making some very different kind of games. For example, games which work over, SMS, multiplayer cricket game that you can play over SMS or a Twitter stream. We've also done games which work over voice calls. You can call in into a server and play a role-playing games which sounds like really rich audio. With extensive and rich production qualities. And we've also been building a cross-platform server which is offered as a platform as a service for an entire game server running on the cloud. This supports a lot of different capabilities which generally are not available in standard platforms which only offer leaderboard support and basic services for social graph maintenance. We do extensive session management and everything related to building a game online. So this cuts down time for game developers from maybe by 50% in terms of developing a game, and that's what we are all about. We've already done one game with a partner studio over the last 6 months, which has been done for. It's a cricket game, which is hopefully we'll have a sale of that and a launch of that in the next 1 month. Besides that, we're also working on 3 more titles. It's a unique way of developing games where you're co-creating content with us providing the entire server-side capabilities, while individual developers bring in creative capabilities. I'm done.
क्या बोला आपको समझ आ गया तो बढ़िया. At least somebody got it.
एक भी डेवलपर नहीं है इधर.
क्या करें हम जैसे अनाड़ी है भाई. किसी को कुछ समझ आया उसके लिए ताली बजाओ. Ignorance is bliss. One serious question. Why this Playboy look-alike? Why Playblazer? Playboy, he doesn't know it. He is, and the rocket, it's very suggestive. You know what I mean? Huh? Now one ball under the rocket. Are you getting the similes now? And Playblazer, all your schoolboy fantasies coming true in your logo. Naughty boy. Anyway, we're still gaming. This is called gamification. I didn't know this word until 2 months ago. Giving people prizes for silly things is called gamification. Huh? The lady with the brightest smile. Have to give it to you. More gamification. It used to be called Pavlov 100 years ago. Now it's called gamification. I don't see your gamification. Just because it's here doesn't mean anything. Gamification. Hey, what's happened to you guys? This free CD is on offer. No, bah. Who's that? Come on. These things start happening. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start.
It's a great event. My name is Dilip Ganeriwal from Desk Technologies. One of the products we developed is known as for check truncation solution. So it cuts down check clearing time from 3 days to a few hours for local checks, and from 15 days or so out of town checks to a few hours. Now, these are the different ways it works. And you may be wondering why checks now. In fact, India is one of the few countries where check volume is still growing, primarily because of financial inclusion. And this increases the speed of flow of money. It's good for the economy as a whole because it adds 400,000 crores of available money, and the checks don't get lost, misplaced. And this is because the storage costs have come down, bandwidth availability, bandwidth costs. And now RBI has made it mandatory for all the banks to do clearing through check truncation. And it has started in Delhi. It is starting at Bangalore and Chennai, and it is going to be in Mumbai very shortly. And we have a proven product. We have done it for 15 banks successfully in Delhi. So we have a proven product, and it's an urgent opportunity. We need to scale up quickly on sales and marketing and operations across the country, because it's going to be in Mumbai and across the country very quickly.
Time. Questions? Talia. Hey, this time it's tickets, huh? I'm telling you in advance. Huh? You're going to save your stamina for the tickets. Good boy. Questions. Everybody's just clapping away blindly, huh? Questions. Tera ticket.
Moving towards electronics part, and they are creating product for something which is, we want to.
In fact, it reduces the cost of transactions. It is, you're digitizing checks. Today it's a physical movement, and check volume is still growing. So it's
they will physical check, or they don't want to do physical check?
Physical checks. Physical checks are growing in India because a lot of people never had checkbooks till now. So financial inclusion is creating a lot of people with checks. We may think that we are going electronic, but overall across the country the volume of checks is growing. So the logistics cost goes down.
So guys, just 2 more questions. Yes. One question. Hang on. One question from this gentleman.
Both Technosys is already doing this technology in the Delhi.
Yes.
How different it is about you?
Yeah, so Delhi is where now only a few companies are doing it in Delhi. Only those companies will be able to do it across the country. So what we have found is that see, NCR is a dominant player, one of the players. So, but we are more flexible, at least in the Indian market. We are able to adapt. There is a service model which is very popular with banks now. That's where we can dominate. We are dominating already.
Okay, you heard the man. Any other questions? Wait. Huh?
It integrates with the core banking. I mean, we get into specifics, the account number validation with core banking, also invert the check signature verification. There are a lot of details. I would love to discuss details with you.
Yeah, we'll take it offline. Yeah. We'll take it offline. Movies are offline too. ऐसे क्या बॉल फेंकेगा तो कुछ नहीं होगा. तालियां तालियां तालियां, मेहरबान कदरदान तालियां. हाँ? नहीं गर्ल नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं है. I'm not a VC with. Huh? Who asked a good question? Should we give him a movie ticket for that? Okay. Hey, but एक जोरदार ताली मार दो यार gomolo.com के लिए. Congratulations, sir, for asking a good question. Next startup on stage. Are we done? Oh, super. That went faster than I thought it would. So now the only question is, who is the most popular? Get all six on stage. You forgot on the first one, basically. Okay, all six on stage. He's gone. हाँ? अबे यहाँ ये सब रखा है यार. They're startups. एक मिनट. हाँ, ये लो. मिलेगा. टेंशन नहीं लेने का. वो जो है सो है यार. जो तुमको नहीं मिलेगा वो मेरे को मिलेगा. First one is gone. What was the first guy anyway? Interactive comics with Facebook likes and not likes. So if you like that guy, whatever, one hand is one vote, two hands is two votes. If you're relatives, you can't vote. So I'll take that as like maybe 20% of the audience, whatever. अरे 100 लोग इधर हैं यार, अभी भी है. Next guy, mango guy. For want of a better. The mango guy, Aam Aadmi. Hey, that's a good brand, huh? Good brand. Good one. Aam Aadmi. Same, 20, thereabouts. Third guy, ID5. शादी मेरे से करो, मुझसे शादी करोगी. 50% of the audience. The fourth guy was Jugnu. Playboy नहीं, Jugnu. आओ मेरे बच्चों. That बच्चा का timeline. The investor's putting up his hand. I'll give that extra weight. 60% of the audience. क्या करे यार, check तो finally वही करता है ना. हाँ. Next was this, the Playboy. Don't vote for the logo. Hello. Some confusion here. Don't vote for the logo. Vote for the business. धंधा कुछ समझ आया क्या? Don't vote for the logo. Don't get excited. Guys, don't get excited. And you shouldn't be excited with something that large. Right, so it's an anxiety thing. It's not an excitement thing. You got your priorities confused. Vote for the business. Like rocket, pocket pe rocket. I get very dirty very quickly. 30% of the audience. Sorry sir, pocket mein rocket. Fourth guy was, the sixth guy was the check guy. Everybody's excited about the check guy. So, Janta ka demand, check guy. Give it up for the check guy. Prize. Lavin is going to announce the prize. Who's going to give it?
Yeah, so these are not movie tickets, they're like real prizes.
They're like serious prizes. Yeah, the prizes cost money. They're prizes that cost money. But gomolo.com.
To give away the prizes, I'd like to invite PK Gulati, who's the Global Board of Trustees at TIE Global, to please join us. And Kanchan Kumar, who's the Executive Director at TIE Mumbai, and Siddharth Chandorkar, who's from Shepherds. And they've A special round of applause for Siddharth and his team. They've actually helped us put together all these prizes with all the partners, Nokia and Pantone together. So VC, here is where I pawned you. Your prizes were tickets and some CDs. Now let me announce these prizes. So, you heard that, right? So the most popular award for the Smashers. Sorry? Audience choice.
Audience choice. Audience choice first.
Yeah. So the most popular Smasher gets a Nokia Asha phone, courtesy Nokia. We don't have the phone. The phone is coming in 30 minutes. So till then.
आशा करते रहो. आशा करते रहो.
आशा में रहिए, please. So. And
how many Mallus in the crowd? So Nokia. Nokia also means did you see? Next.
Okay, so let me announce the prizes and then I'll request PK to announce the winners. The second runner-up for Smashers gets a Pantel tablet, BSNL 3G tablet from Pantel, which is an 8 GB tablet. And the Smasher award winner will get a Nokia Lumia phone. The Lumias are not here. That's also coming.
इसको हिंदी में KLPD बोलते हैं. Nokia late to the party on the platform, late to the party with the prizes. Anyway.
So PK, if you could announce the runner-up first for Smashers. Oh, we got this. No, I don't have the winner list. So.
Jugnu. So the winner is Hatim Behranwala, ID5. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you. Congrats.
I'll just have to stay for to announce the And all the final 6 Smashers get a laptop bag courtesy bigrock.com. So before you leave. Bhavna, can we have the Big Rock bags, please? And also startup t-shirts courtesy bigrock.com. Yeah. Please. PK, I'll just request you to wait. We need to announce the hackathon winners also. So friends, we had a hackathon yesterday. There were about 25 people approximately who came in at 9 a.m. in the morning, and some of them worked overnight here at IIT Bombay to come up with a prototype, a working prototype of certain business ideas using the App42 platform. So there were certain judging criteria that was used, and I would just request Siddharth, is that still here? Siddharth, could you just share the judging criteria and what did you actually...
So basically, based on Shepard's App42 platform, the participants developed the applications. Some of them worked till 5 o'clock in the morning actually, and the idea was that the prototype which they develop, of course, in one day you cannot develop the complete application, but we judged based on the business viability of the product, the market reach, the technology they use, how they use the App42 platform. So this was some parameters based on which it was decided. So a lot of hard work from guys.